Okay, so step one, according to this guide, you type a specific command into the message box.
Right. It has to be exact. It's invisible on.
Invisible on, okay. And then right after that, you just type your actual question.
Yep. Same message. Command, space, then the question. Then you hit send.
Got it. So that's like flipping a switch, telling the system, handle this differently. After asking, you use something called a draft answer to actually get the response.
Mm. Seems like that's the mechanism for pulling the information back.
But, and this is the kicker, when the system, which they call Doc-E here, gives you the answer,
Uh-huh.
it apparently has your name attached to it.
Exactly. So you start with invisible on, ask your question, but the final output, the answer generated by Doc-E, is attributed back to you.
So why would someone use this? I mean, if your name pops up anyway,
Yeah.
what's the point of the initial invisible on command?
Well, maybe the initial anonymity affects how the question is received or processed.
How so?
Perhaps it's designed to encourage less biased answers. If people responding don't immediately see who asked, they might focus purely on the question itself.
Ah, okay.